second version of the floor, same principles as before. Because the squares are a smaller, more manageable shape, theoretically they are more efficient in terms of material use. I'm just wondering how I can quickly show you that. Yeah, so there's less wasted material hanging out over the sides, but you're going to spend more time cutting and arranging them, possibly. And as before with the rectangles, if you lay it out, mark the circles on. In fact, you could mark all of these cuts and pre-cut them as squares. Yeah, pre-cut them as squares, lay them all out, then mark the circles on, then cut everything, and then you can rotate things for a slightly more interesting pattern. I haven't been able to project the cuts down onto those surfaces, but there's going to be minimal error when pasting those down onto those surfaces. The maker will figure out how to get around that, I'm sure. Okay.